Stop making gari the hard way. Unlock the 3 must-have steps: cleaning, processing, and frying. To turn cassava into golden gari profits. Step 1. Cleaning cassava with modern equipment in minutes. This step is to prepare clean and safe material for high-quality gari production. 3 machines, dry sieve, paddle washer, and cassava peeler will be configured. The dry sieve can clean 1 ton muddy cassava in 10 minutes. Removes 90% dirt or stones, no more manual scrubbing. The machine adopts multiple inner spirals designed to push cassava tubers moving forward. During its rotation, impurities like stones, muddy, and leaves are removed from the gap. The paddle washer can realize 95% cleaning rate. The machine adopts counter-current washing method to wash away the residue on cassava. Aims to keep gari safe. Single slot or double slot cassava washers are available for small and large gari production. The cassava peeler can peels 500 kilograms cassava tubers in an hour. The peeler's revolving speed of pushing screw is adjustable according to the difference of cassava tubers size, which changes cassava tubers' friction time on sand roller to achieve supposed peeling effect. Save 3 workers' time. Achieve higher peeling rate. Produce more profitable gari. Okay, gari bosses. This is the cleaning step of gari making line. Focus us and watch the next video. We will introduce the most important step processing part to you.